Hello! Today I want to show you how to create digital products with System.io. So first, let's log in with System.io with your Gmail account. Now, after that, click on Sites. On the top bar, click on Sales Funnel. Now hit the plus Create button on top right. Name your funnel, Funnel 1 for example, and choose your funnel goal, Sale, Build Audience. Example, we're going to set a sale here. Click on Save. Now click on your funnel. Here. So, let's add an order form here. For example, let's choose a template. Choose this template. So, click on Offer Type Digital Product. So add here the price. For digital product, the price, plans and resources, customer request after purchase. So add your coupon and add order pump here. And you can also view the funnel step, edit your page, or change the page template at the same time. So this is pretty much it, guys. In only few simple steps, you've learned how to create a sales funnel in System.io and sell our digital product fast. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.